just been amazing. Had lots of visitors, it's spread it out, so lots of people have been able to chat to us, whereas we don't normally get that one-on-one time. So it's been an awesome week full of people visiting, lots of people learning, and us having a chance to show people what we do.
My name is Bridget Perchill. I'm a ceramic artist here at the Hollow as part of ArtWalk. I've got a real focus on nature. We live in such a beautiful place, but it's all about concept and materiality.
Hi, I'm Francesca O'Donnell and I'm from Out There Design and Mosaic and Out There Escapes. ArtWalk has been the most exciting event. I know for a lot of people it's been a big year, but this has been exciting for the locals because the whole community from South Coast to the North Coast and out to the hinterland has actually been excited. Artists and the locals have been so excited to celebrate art and culture and being together.